Did you know that Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, covers his laptop camera with tape to stop government agencies from spying on him? To be honest, the idea that we're living in a Big Brother state with the US government monitoring our activity isn't a conspiracy theory. It's real. And for the most part, it's totally legal. It all started in 1978, when the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act gave American intelligence agencies the right to spy on other countries, and any Americans suspected of spying on their behalf, using things like wiretaps to listen in on phone calls and secret microphones planted in their homes or offices. After 9/11, the Patriot Act gave the government even broader powers of surveillance to gather information not just on enemies of the state, but millions of Americans too. Today, there's not one, not two, but 17 intelligence agencies operating in America. They use all kinds of new technologies to keep an eye on us. That's right, they can even spy on you through your television. But it's this guy, former CIA employee Edward Snowden, who lifted the lid on the realities of spying in the US. In 2013, he leaked classified information revealing how the National Security Agency uses secretive technologies to access our internet histories and text messages. The US government charged Snowden with violating the Espionage Act of 1917, and he's been on the run ever since. Many people support whistleblowers like Snowden because they believe their private lives should stay private. They worry that the government use information they gather from spying to attack those who don't agree with them. Others believe that giving up a little bit of privacy is worth it if spying helps the government to keep an eye on bad eggs and protect our national security. What do you believe?